Let us study about the working principle of electric motor. The working of a motor is well understood if you understand the behavior of the current carrying wire kept in a uniform magnetic field. Consider a rectangular coil connected to the power supply and kept in a uniform magnetic field. Switch on the supply. Now, the current flows through the circuit. Determine the direction of the current passing through the coil. The direction will be perpendicular to the magnetic field. Determine the direction of magnetic force by using Fleming's left-hand rule. From the top view, it is observed that the force on the sides BC and AD is not the same as their angle with the field is not the same. At BC, magnetic force pulls the coil up, and at DA, magnetic force pulls it down. The force due to external magnetic field on the sides AB is equal and opposite to the force acting on the side CD because they carry equal currents in the opposite direction. Sum of these forces is equal to 0. Similarly, the sum of forces on the sides BC and AD is also 0. So, the net force is equal to 0. But the coil rotates in the magnetic field. The reason behind the rotation of the coil is explained in the next session. How do you open a bottle cap? By applying two equal and opposite forces on the opposite sides of a cap. When the forces are applied, the cap comes into rotation and opens. In the same way, the coil rotates when equal and opposite forces act on both the sides of the rectangular coil. If the direction of the coil is unchanged, it rotates up to a vertical position in the clockwise direction. Then, due to its inertia, it rotates further. Now, the coils experience forces in the opposite direction. It comes to rest and starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction. This continues to rotate in the same way if the current direction is not changed. Current reversal. If the direction of the current in the coil is reversed after the first half rotation, the coil rotates in the same direction. If the current is continuously changed for every half rotation of the coil continues to rotate in the same direction. Relation with electric motor. To have the rotation in a single direction, every motor has two brushes B1 and B2 connected to the power supply source, that is the battery. The ends of the coil are connected to two slip rings C1 and C2 which rotate along with the coil. It is clear that the position of the coils change for every half rotation of the coil. Initially, the slip rings C1 and C2 are in contact with the brushes B1 and B2 respectively. After half rotation of the coil, the slip rings C1 and C2 are in contact with the brushes B2 and B1 respectively in such a way that the direction of current passing through the coil is reversed. This happens for every half rotation. So, the coil continues to rotate in the same direction. This is the principle used in electric motor. Thus, an electric motor works. In electric motors, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. We have learned that the current carrying coil rotates when it is kept in uniform magnetic field.